Alright, so this is another one that Gil talks about being great for all sorts of different things. There's a bit of anti-rotation stuff going on here, really good for the midline. It shouldn't feel super disgusting. It should be quite comfortable the whole way. What you're trying to do is not stick your bum out too much and not tuck under too much. You want to find this kind of like middle ground there. Keeping real nice and contracted in this midline, so you're actively keeping your abs tucked in and tight. And then from there, what you're going to do is make a fist with one hand. Try and take opposite hand, opposite leg off, but don't let anything dip, so the hips don't dip or you don't move. So from here, abs are on, bring those two limbs together, then you're going to reach out, and you're not trying to get too high. As soon as you try and go too high, you get this like arch. We want to keep that as tight as possible. So from here, you go out, you should really be squeezing your abs at this out point here. Coming back in. And then once you've done your set reps for that side, same thing on the other side. Try and find that point where you're not sticking out, nice and tight, abs are on, make a fist, come together. And that's a bird dog.